Close your eyes. Breathe in slowly. And exhale. Let the world outside fade away. Tonight, we are going to wander into a world that is invisible. A world that exists beneath what we see, beneath what we touch, beneath what we think is real. A world ruled by uncertainty. By mystery. By connection, the kind that defies space and time. This is the world of quantum entanglement. It begins with the tiniest pieces of the universe. Particles. They are everywhere. Inside you, around you, between every atom, every molecule. They are small, smaller than your mind can imagine. Smaller than the eye can see. Yet, these particles are not silent. They speak in ways that science is only beginning to understand. Imagine a particle. Alone, floating in the emptiness of space. It has a property called spin. Spin is not exactly like a spinning top. It is a direction. A state. But here is where the quantum world differs from the world we know. This particle can spin up, or spin down, or somehow both, until we look. Until we measure it. It is a paradox. A state of possibility. And now, imagine another particle. One that becomes entangled with the first. The universe has linked them together. Bound them in a connection invisible to the naked eye. No matter the distance, no matter the time, no matter the emptiness between them. They are connected. One particle knows what the other does. Change the spin of one, and instantly, the other responds. Instantly. Even if they are light years apart. Even if the first is here on Earth, and the second is orbiting a star in another galaxy. This is entanglement. This is quantum intimacy. This is the universe whispering its secrets. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. He could not accept it. It seemed impossible. How could one particle know what the other does instantly? Surely information cannot travel faster than light, the rule of the universe. Yet, the entangled particles ignore. They communicate, instantly, beyond the speed of light. And in doing so, they force us to question what we know about reality. Because entanglement is more than physics. It is philosophy. It is poetry. It is proof that separation is an illusion. That connection runs deeper than space, deeper than time, deeper than our minds can comprehend. Think of your own life. The people you have loved. The friends you have lost. The memories that linger. Do you feel that invisible thread? That pull that stretches across distance and years? Entanglement is like that, but written into the fabric of the universe. Now, let us go deeper. Because entanglement does not happen randomly. It begins with a shared history. Two particles meet. They interact. They touch. And in that moment, they become one. Not one in body, but one in state. One cannot be described fully without the other. Their properties become linked. Even when separated, their story is shared. This is a profound idea. It challenges our understanding of individuality, of isolation, of existence itself. In the classical world, we measure. We observe. We assume independence. But in the quantum world, independence is an illusion. Particles are entwined. Connected. Part of a greater whole. And it is not just two particles. It can be many. Clusters of entangled particles form networks, webs, invisible constellations of connection that span the cosmos. Some physicists call this the quantum fabric of reality. A network where every part is connected, every part reflects the whole. It is beautiful. It is unsettling. It is alive. And it has consequences we are only beginning to grasp. Quantum entanglement is not just a thought experiment. It has been observed, measured, tested. In laboratories around the world, scientists create entangled particles. Photons, electrons, atoms, all linked, dancing in perfect synchrony. They separate them by miles, sometimes kilometers. And yet, when one is measured, the other reacts instantly. This is no illusion. This is reality. And reality is stranger than fiction. The implications are staggering. Quantum entanglement is the foundation of quantum computing. It is what could one day allow computers to solve problems in seconds that would take classical computers billions of years. It underlies quantum cryptography, a technology that could make communication unhackable, perfectly secure, because the act of measuring an entangled particle changes it, revealing any intrusion. It challenges our understanding of causality, of locality, of the very nature of space and time. And yet, even as we study it, we are humbled. Because entanglement reminds us of something simple, and yet profound. Everything in the universe is connected. Everything. Nothing exists in isolation. Even you. You are a web of particles. Your atoms, your molecules, your cells, all entangled with the world around you in ways you cannot see. Your thoughts, your emotions, your presence, they ripple. They affect others. They reach further than you know. This is the quiet poetry of quantum entanglement. It is not just about physics. It is about existence. It is about the invisible threads that tie us together. That tie us to the stars. To the cosmos. To the moment before the Big Bang. Some scientists speculate that entanglement is everywhere. Not just in particles we can isolate in a lab, but as a fundamental property of the universe itself. That reality, at its deepest level, is a tapestry of entangled connections. Where everything influences everything. Where separation is an illusion. Where the universe is alive. In ways that we are only beginning to feel. Now, imagine this. Close your eyes and imagine the particles in your body. Entangled with the universe around you. The oxygen in your lungs. Entangled with a tree across the world. The photons striking your skin, entangled with a star that died millions of years ago. Your thoughts, your feelings, entangled with everything you touch, everything you speak to, everything you dream. You are not alone. You are not separate. You are a living node in the vast, entangled web of existence. This is what quantum entanglement whispers. And it is not just a scientific curiosity. It is a meditation. A reminder. That connection is real. That unity is real. That separation is only a story we tell ourselves. Some experiments have gone even further. Scientists have entangled particles over hundreds of kilometers. Satellites have carried entangled photons through space, proving that the universe itself obeys this strange, instantaneous connection. And yet, entanglement does not allow us to send messages faster than light. It is not magic. It is not telepathy. It is the universe, speaking its own language. A language of probability, of states, of potential. Of intimacy across distance. It is subtle. It is quiet. It is the heartbeat of the cosmos. And when you meditate on this, truly meditate, you begin to sense something profound. That the universe is not cold. Not empty. Not indifferent. It is alive with connections. With relationships. With invisible bonds that stretch across space and time. You, too, are part of that web. Every thought, every breath, ripples through the entangled fabric of existence. And you cannot break it. You cannot escape it. Because you are it. Now, bring your attention inward. Feel the particles in your body, the atoms, the molecules, the electrons spinning in their quantum states. Know that some of them are entangled, with each other, with the world, with the stars. Feel the web stretch beyond your body, beyond the room, beyond the planet. It reaches across galaxies. Across time. Across existence itself. And in that moment, you realize, you are part of something infinite. Something eternal. Something connected. Quantum entanglement is not just a theory. It is an invitation. To feel the universe. To know that you are never truly alone. That connection is more fundamental than separation. That intimacy exists on scales beyond comprehension. That reality is stranger, and more beautiful, than anything you have imagined. And as you lie here, eyes closed, breathing slowly, let yourself dissolve into that web. Let yourself feel the quiet hum of entangled particles around you, inside you, beyond you. Let yourself be part of the dance of the cosmos, a dance older than time itself. A dance that continues, silently, invisibly, through every moment. Through every star. Through every heart. Through every mind. This is the essence of quantum entanglement. The quiet connection at the heart of reality. The reminder that you are never, truly, alone. That the universe, at its deepest level, is a single, entwined, infinite whole. Breathe again. Slowly. And feel it. The connection. The intimacy. The mystery. The wonder. And when you open your eyes, carry this with you. Carry the knowledge that you are entangled. That you are connected. That you are part of the quiet, infinite, beautiful web of existence. And remember, the universe is always whispering. Always entangled. Always connected. Always here, with you. Always.